Did you hurt your hands?
It got trapped under the tree.
Oh shit.
You knew that was my first crash as well, no crash.
You got up quickly, you know?
That's like the first thing.
In its condemnation, I think the UN Security Council has condemned in its strongest terms the violence. That is important. However, what's really needed in the response to what's happening in Sudan, these warning signs, is escalations.
I don't know, all that money he spent on a Porsche Carrera GT and he's still stuck at the traffic lights like everybody else.
Okay, now he's just showing off. My dad got a free sample from the Nottingham website. The other candidate, but you're not hiring a CV. You're hiring a person. That's why Indeed offers tools that help bridge the gap.
Are you going to fit in that space?
CV, like skill tests, which let you actually see a candidate's abilities in action to make sure they're a good fit for the job. See beyond the CV.
Nope. Okay. Well, you had to go.
For yourself today and get a free.
Exactly right. Okay. So Matthew Ball is with us. Huge hero we've just discovered, Sarah Brett's mum.
That was very nice.
It was a beautiful thing.
Yeah.
Now, before we went to news headlines, I did
I collected when I was a teenager with my best friend from school, Simon, and we used to go into West End regularly and wait outside hotels and all sorts of things. And one of the things we did was start to look in the phone book for people's addresses and things, which is probably not a good thing. We shouldn't have done.
Nice one, mate. Colourblind twat.
Understood the extent of
Shell Go Plus, the new rewards program where good things happen when you Go Plus it. Like 10% of the cost of visit.
Oh, I'd do that quicker if I were you, mate. Oh shit, it's going 2 into 1, is it? Okay. No warning signs at all. This blue car, Miss Adam, should have done that a lot quicker. See that woman? Just flipping everyone off. What's her problem? Do you know what someone just on? He's like, you need to take your helmet off. Oh, I didn't ask for that.
Help me move your bike across the road.
What?
Can you help me move your bike there?
Oh shit!
I got it on camera, it's okay.
Does anyone own that red car outside?
Don't know. Why?
Because someone's just hit it.
What was it? Estate?
No, that one right there. Reverse straight into it. I've got it recording.
Which one?
That yellow car.
Gotta look for bikers!
There's a part of me that thinks, should we have just gone sod it and had
There's someone on the roof of Macaulley Junction.
Should we have just gone sod it and had the...
It's only just turned green.
Should we have gone...
Turn right there.
Oh, jeez, that Fiesta is not looking great. The wheels just turned inwards.
It's already been defeated very heavily in Parliament.
Oh, don't drive into incoming traffic, you absolute
twat! Keep
twat!
the threat of no deal on the table, with all the damage that does.
Jeremy Corbyn's also criticised these decisions.
I think it's going to be good.
Do you reckon this is going to stop for the red light, babe?
No.
Oh, I don't know. Oh! He's... well.
Ta-da!
Where's he gone?
Round the corner.
Oh, is it? Oh, alright. Thought he'd like drop on the pedestrian crossing and try to go across. No, he's gone. Thanks for the sound effect. Oh, marvellous. So you're the reason that there's a traffic jam. Well, go on then. Go. What a place to break down in rush hour.
Wind up that charity and again make sure the assets that were left were distributed. The Nottingham Miners Welfare Trust is the charity.
That was a late dive.